Talofa lava, o Leafa Wilson, o Lo'o. It's my privilege to be interviewing you, and thank you for, well, what you do in this world, and would be really great for people to see and know more about you.
Kia ora, I'm Rawiri Brown. I'm of Ngāriki, Kaiputahi and Ngāti Raukawa, Iwi, and also from Cook Island Māori descent. And I'm a textile designer.
Oh, ngā mihi nui. So can you tell us a little bit about your creative process during your Tautai Fale-ship?
I love coming up with the ideas and the concepts behind a new collection. It's the most fun bit. So aesthetically, at the moment, I like the juxtaposition of using already sourced or discarded or things that are not considered valuable and turning those into something desirable. So once I come up with the concept and ideas, then I work out what I need in terms of breaking down the collection in terms of the garments that I have to produce, pattern making the shape of the first garment, cutting it out, sewing it, and then fitting it on a model. Bit of a process, but
really
it's how I like
intensive.
Yeah, it is. That's how I like to work and what I'm used. Yeah.
Well, I suppose the process, if it diverts from what you're intending it to do, then you won't be satisfied with the final product, eh?
Yeah, sometimes you get happy surprises of it not being initially how you imagined in your head, but coming out as something better and like happy accidents. So.
When your Fale-ship residency is eventually launched online, what would you like people to take away from it? Besides, wanting to buy it.
Just take away a little bit of appreciation of how much work goes into fashion design, and maybe a little bit of an understanding of the processes involved.
I have to say, just talking about it, I have actually much more. Well, I had respect before, but now I have much more sympathy because, as an artist myself, I understand that process can be grueling.
Yeah.
It's like just that 1 millimeter off, and you're like,
oh yes, I'm definitely like that too.
Damn!
If it's 5 miles out, gotta do it again. Make the changes, sew it up again. Yeah.
Yeah. So it's fashion design is very exact.
It can be, yeah. It's different for every designer.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, their preferences, but yeah, I'm quite precise on how I want things to look.